Here, as you can see, the 3 units are ready. Each of the units has a IoT U-link which is connected to a SMPS. The U-link has a 24-volt power supply built in, so that power supply is being energized by this SMPS unit. It has an MCB on the live side for protection, and this particular U-link has a NC contact which stops the pump in case it is about to overflow. You see here what is happening is, I'll show you the brief experimental setup that I have made on my office. Here are the three probes. The probe on the left, this probe is the reference probe. This probe is the middle probe or the low probe, up to which the tank, when the water drops below the low probe, the pumps should start. And this last probe, this is the high probe, up to which the tank level is allowed to go up, beyond which the pump controllers would trip the pump. Now these three probes are connected to this water level controller here of GIC made. These three probes, the probes that is at the bottom, the probe which is at the bottom, which is the reference probe, is connected to the common terminal. The probe which is the low probe, it is connected to P3 terminal, and the probe which is the high probe is connected to the P4 terminal. Now since all the probes are immersed in water, so this particular lamp, this indicates the relay output. The relay output is off, so the indication here is coming as tank full. Now the U-link units are linked to this particular Wi-Fi, Airtel My Wi-Fi. Now when I am going to install these 4 units at Budge power plant, each of these housings would have its own Airtel Wi-Fi. So one Airtel Wi-Fi would be inside each of these housings, which would be linking the U-link to the internet. So now what's happening is, since the tank is full, so that tank full signal is being uploaded to the cloud database, or a API handle is being accessed, which is uploading the data of the tank to the cloud. So according to which these 3 units, this is for pump 1, this is for pump 2, and this is for pump 3, these 3 units are acquiring that tank information. So all these 3 are also indicating tank full. These 3 are indicating tank full. So there is a relay inside this U-link which is getting activated periodically at the interval of 1 minute to break the motor circuit. So you can, if I hold the video here, hold my phone here for about a minute or so, you will hear I think you could hear that sound, a small click sound, which indicates that relay got activated for 2 seconds, then again it got deactivated. So that NC output here would break the relay circuit, the pump starter circuit, and the pump would stop. Now what happens if I remove the probe here? I remove the high probe here. I remove the high probe. Immediately the tank full signal is still there. So when I remove the middle probe or the low probe, the tank empty signal has now come on basically. So the tank empty signal is being uploaded to the cloud by the U-link at the tank end. So this tank empty signal has appeared everywhere at all the 3 pumps. So now the pump the person who is operating the pumps has to operate the pump, whichever pump wishes to operate. He has to start the pump, and after that the pump would stop automatically once the tank full signal, once the water level reaches that high level of the probe, high level of the high probe. As a result of which the tank full signal would be sensed by the U-link here at the tank end and would be automatically transmitted to the 3 pump starters so that they would stop the pump.